Yes, sir.
Can I get one more time?
Come here.
Talk to the police.
Can I get one more time, please?
Why you pick off the green grape them off a tree?
Sorry, sir.
You eat them?
One more chance?
One more chance to pick more grape?
No, sir.
Officer, you lock him up, officer.
Lock him up enough.
No, please, sir. Can I get one more chance? Please, sir. Can I
Which
get
way
one
you
more
live?
chance? Please, sir.
Round there, sir.
One more chance to pick the grape them?
No, sir. No, I'm pick no more, sir.
What's your name?
Tell me and die, man. If you not pick no more, sir.
Yeah, who for father?
This cook, you know, get
Yeah, how much?
We're 8 years
Show
old,
me 8.
sir.
Yeah, who for father?
This cook.
Yeah, who for mother?
Come on.
Yeah, go to jail.
Lock him up.
Please, sir, no,
Lock him
sir.
up.
Yeah, man,
No,
if you get locked
sir,
up.
no. Can I get one more time?
Knock
I'm
out.
not gonna pin him. I'm not
Call
gonna
squad.
pin him, sir. Please, sir, let's get one more time.
Yeah, hold on for the police. Yeah, what you do? You can't hold on for the police. Yeah, assault the officer.
No,
Where's the
again.
car then?
No.
Call them, officer. Call them.
No, sir, no. Please, sir. Please. Please, sir, can I get one more time?
Pick off the whole like green grape them.
I'm not.
And the officer go lock him up, you know.
Can I get one more chance? Please.
One more chance to pick off more grape.
I'm not gonna pay no more, sir.
Oh, you got this up on the road. A Friday evening, you know.
Sir, I'm gonna be here now, sir.
Run, go and get there. Run, go and get there. Run. Yeah, see if you're nice. One more time to block.